All right, thank you for watching. This is Disti Media, a solution to top mind. Remember, this channel works on content that is about how to get free internet tricks, free data, free WhatsApp tricks, many more, making money online and others. So for today, I'll be showing you how to use work from home data, the learn from home data. It is first of all very cheap. Secondly, it works on all platforms, but it only works when you use the following ways. Like you see, you can go for YouTube, you can go for Facebook and WhatsApp. There is a certain procedure that you must follow for it to work. So for today, that's what I will be showing you. Keep in touch with me, follow all the steps. Here we go. So what you do, you go to the dial pad, then you put in *175 *175 #, and then you go to top packs, number 1, then you put top packs. So it will take you to daily bundles. So you see, learn from home data bundles, number 8. So it is learn from home, buy for yourself. You see, they're saying that 1 GB at 1,500 daily. So it is 1 GB at 1,500. Remember, that will learn from home data, it doesn't work on anything else, it only works on Google. But if you use this procedure or this trick, you can use it for everything: WhatsApp and all other platforms, social media platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. So you see, we've already bought the package. It's success free. It is saying that you have already bought the data. So we are waiting for the message to arrive. So the message has arrived, and then if you check the message, you have paid 1,500, the charge of 0 for learn from home bundle. So you have subscribed to 1 GB learn from home bundle, valid for 24 hours. So this data works if you use these procedures. It cannot work if you don't use. So you need to be having Siphon Pro VPN. So you use Siphon Pro VPN. You go to Siphon Pro VPN. So it is most especially on those platforms like Play Store. You can still get Siphon Pro. Then you will go to option. And choose tunnel the whole device. You will go to option and choose tunnel the whole device. You see, it is connecting. Then you place start. It is connecting now. If you look at the logs, it is connecting. So you will wait until it flashes a white page. You will wait, Siphon Pro, until it flashes a white page. If it flashes a white page, it means it is working now. So if you see, you wait for a little bit, so it is going to flash a white page. So well and good. So if it flashes a white page, it means there it is okay. You can continue. Please, you can subscribe. If you're enjoying, you can subscribe, like, and share. So you see, if you open Facebook, it is working. Facebook, it works. If you go for YouTube, it works, and even WhatsApp. Please note this: if you don't use Siphon Pro, it cannot work. Other procedures you say they are wrong. You need to use Siphon Pro. If you go for Facebook, you see, Facebook opens. Now we are going for YouTube. Let us go for YouTube. And also for YouTube, it also works. For YouTube, it also works. Okay, we need to be patient. The phone is a bit slow, but it also works. Now you go to Disti Media. Please, this is Disti Media. You can like, share, and subscribe. Share it to your friend. You know, people, very many out there, you're disturbed by data. You share it with your friends. You see, it is now bringing. Okay, right, it has brought Disti Media. You can subscribe, please. This channel works on content that is about how to get free data, free WhatsApp tricks, and how to make money online. You see, YouTube is also working. Now, if we go back and check on our WhatsApp, with WhatsApp, it is also cool. It also brings messages. You see, the messages are already started. The messages have already started uprising. So the messages have already started coming. So it works. Please, thank you for watching. For today, it's been Sadisty, a solution to top mind. Have a nice day.